Hi, my name's Tom Villanova, Kilo India 4, Romeo Victor Uniform.
Jonathan, KD9 VLN.
W5YNF.
Hi, this is Jamie, KC5IZC.
And I'm here today to tell you about the AnyTone 878 UVII Plus.
From Bridgecom Systems, this is a great radio.
This is my favorite all-around go-to radio.
I was online in minutes. Love this. The team did a great job putting everything together and truly plug and play.
DMR is great, especially for the AnyTone 878.
Perfect little radio. Gotta like it. Get you one.
This one is scanning in medical or emergency medical service, ambulance in like 50 channels.
The AnyTone UVII Plus is my workhorse radio when it comes to DMR and even local repeaters as well.
I love my AnyTone from Bridgecom. Nothing beats a DMR.
The 878 is a fabulous radio. The capability of DMR as well as analog 2 meter, 70 centimeter is essential in my mind. Living in the Pacific Northwest where we get storms all the time, and being able to use this on regular repeaters as well as DMR repeaters in conjunction with the Skybridge, you can't beat it. Buy this.
I recommend it especially for beginning hams because it really cuts down that learning curve of DMR, which is a challenge. It is the best built that I have ever seen. It performs and keeps on going. I do recommend it, whether you're a beginner or you're an old man like myself who just enjoy having it around to use and the ease of it and the training that's available. It's worth it.
I have had this radio now for the better part of 3 years. This is one of my very first radios. I did probably my first 5 to 6 states of Summits on the Air using this. Love this radio. Keep it on all the time. This runs 24 hours a day in my room. If it ever gets low on battery or it gives me the indicator that it's low on the battery, I swap it out with the secondary battery that I bought, and then I charge the first one, and it just stays on all the time unless I'm out of town. Great radio. Never had a problem with it. Appreciate it. And thank you, Bridgecom.